Welcome to Motor Mania, your go-to channel for everything automotive. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the 2025 Citroën 2CV, a modern revival of one of the most iconic cars in automotive history. The 2CV has always been a symbol of simplicity, practicality, and affordability, and Citroën has brought it back with a futuristic twist while retaining its timeless charm. Let's dive into the specs, features, and everything that makes this car stand out in the crowded electric vehicle market. The 2025 Citroën 2CV is powered by a cutting-edge electric powertrain, perfectly blending nostalgia with modern technology. Its compact electric motor delivers a modest 100 horsepower, ensuring an efficient and eco-friendly drive. Designed for city commuting and short-distance travel, the 2CV offers a range of approximately 250 kilometers on a single charge, making it an ideal choice for urban dwellers and eco-conscious drivers. The car features fast charging capabilities, allowing you to recharge up to 80% in just 30 minutes, making it incredibly convenient for on-the-go lifestyles. The exterior design pays homage to the original 2CV with its unmistakable rounded shape, corrugated roof, and minimalist aesthetic. However, it incorporates modern touches like LED headlights, sleek aerodynamic lines, and vibrant color options. The lightweight construction ensures better efficiency without compromising on durability, and the compact size makes it easy to maneuver through crowded streets and tight parking spaces. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that balances simplicity with contemporary comfort. The minimalist dashboard features a digital display that provides all essential information, including speed, battery status, and navigation. The interior is designed with sustainable materials, reflecting Citroën's commitment to environmental responsibility. Despite its compact size, the 2CV offers surprising space for passengers, with ergonomic seating and ample headroom. The rear seats can be folded down to maximize cargo space, making it a practical choice for daily errands or weekend getaways. Safety has been significantly upgraded in the 2025 Citroën 2CV. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera for improved visibility. These features ensure a safe and stress-free driving experience, whether you're navigating busy city streets or cruising on the highway. One of the standout features of the 2025 Citroën 2CV is its affordability. Staying true to the original 2CV's ethos, Citroën has priced it competitively, making electric mobility accessible to a broader audience. This approach positions the 2CV as an excellent entry-level EV for those transitioning to electric vehicles. The driving experience of the 2025 2CV is smooth and quiet, thanks to its electric powertrain. The regenerative braking system not only enhances efficiency but also provides a unique driving dynamic. The lightweight design and compact size contribute to its agility, making it a joy to drive in urban settings. Citroën has ensured that the modern 2CV retains the fun and quirky character of the original while adapting it for a new generation. Citroën has also introduced customization options to make the 2CV uniquely yours. From personalized color combinations to optional accessories, you can tailor the car to match your style and preferences. The brand has even developed a range of eco-friendly accessories, such as recycled floor mats and biodegradable storage solutions, aligning with the vehicle's sustainable philosophy. In conclusion, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. It brings back the charm of the original while embracing the future with its electric powertrain, advanced safety features, and sustainable design. Whether you're a fan of the classic 2CV or looking for an affordable and efficient electric vehicle, the 2025 Citroën 2CV is a car worth considering. Thank you for tuning into Motor Mania, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Citroën 2CV, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay updated on all things cars. Your support helps us bring you more reviews, insights, and news. Thanks for watching Motor Mania, and we'll see you in the next video.